Welcome to Excel for Work Video 2. Excel Interface Explained. No confusion version. When you first open Excel, it can look overwhelming, but it is actually very simple once you know what you're looking at. At the moment, I'm using Excel 2010. You may be using a different version. It may look different, but all the features and functions are more or less the same, with the newer versions having more features and functions. So for this section of the course, I'm going to stick on 2010 a lot as it covers the basic features. But if yours looks different, not to worry, all the features and functions are going to be there in the same place. So let's break this down. At the top, this is called a ribbon. This whole section I'm hovering over here, this is called a ribbon. This is where Excel's tools live. You don't need to know everything here, only a few key areas. If you see at the top of the ribbon, you can go through all the different tabs and they'll come out with more and more Excel tools. We will go through all of this step by step. Below the ribbon, you will find the formula bar, which is a step here. As you can see, there's your formula bar. So this whole section here, just below the ribbon, is called your formula bar. This shows what is inside a cell. Especially when you start using formulas later, this is going to become crucial. Now the main area of the worksheet, which is everything below the ribbon and the formula bar, is the worksheet. You can have multiple worksheets and all of them together form a workbook. So worksheet is a single sheet, whereas a workbook is a compilation of multiple worksheets. The letters across the top are known as columns. The numbers going down the side are called rows. Where a column and a row meet, you get a cell. So for example, if you go, let's put in a figure here, and if you go to column B and it intersects at row 9, this cell is called B9. Each cell has an address. As we've seen here, this is B9, this is A3, A4, A5, A6, and A7, and of course even A1. At the bottom of these worksheets, as I've explained, are worksheets, the worksheet labels that form the workbook. I want you to think of them like pages inside of an Excel file. For now, don't try to memorize everything. Just remember this. Excel is made of cells, and cells hold data. So Excel is made of cells, and cells hold data. In the next video, we're going to start using these cells properly by entering and formatting data the right way. So I will see you in Excel for Work video 3. Just a reminder, if you haven't downloaded the free Excel spreadsheet, the Excel starter sheet in the link description below, please do so, as it is the sheet I'm currently using and will be doing so for the entire series. And I will see you in Excel for Work video 3.